Now we can work to create those user accounts. So yes, I want to do this. All right, so I asked it, how do I actually set up authentication? Because this is something that it told me that we need to do before we add any other features. It's probably smart to take care of that. So I simply just said, you know, how do I set this up? Maybe I don't have any experience. How would I go about this? And so it told us that it's going to help us actually set up this authentication. And so if you do understand this, you can analyze it, make sure that everything looks correct, and then you can apply those changes. Okay, so they've completed those changes, and now they're going to tell us what they've done, but also suggest that we should probably disable the email confirmation in Supabase, that like when people sign up for this weight tracker, they don't have to confirm their email before getting into it. So if we go over to Supabase, we can just change that. So if we click on authentication and then we go to sign in/providers, and then we go down to email, and we can disable that right there for confirming email, so that they can just instant access it if they're doing it for the first time. It's also easier for us when we're going through and testing this app, right? So let's go ahead and just try it out and see if this works, and then see what problems come up along the way. So I'm gonna have to sign up. Okay, so I've just created an account. Okay, so I just signed in just like that, right? So that worked. We have this ability now to create accounts and sign in